بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين اللهم صل على سيدنا محمد وعلى ال محمد وبارك وسلم عليه رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي امري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي ربنا زدنا علما اجمعين السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Alhamdulillah, by Allah's grace and fadl, we are in the class number 93. Today inshallah we will be learning lesson number 24 from the Durus volume 2. Inshallah, let's get started. Lesson 24. This lesson deals with the numbers. All the rules about the numbers mentioned before have been put together here. We summarize these rules under the following headings. Number 1. The rules regarding the numbers. A. Wahidun Ithnani. These agree with the ma'dud and follow the ma'dud as adjectives. Example: Kitabun Wahidun, Kitabani Ithnani. Sayyaratun Wahidatun, Sayyaratani Ithnatani. B. Salasatun, from Salasatun to Asharatun. These numbers do not agree with the ma'dud. If the ma'dud is masculine, these are feminine. Vice versa. Example: Thalathatu rijalin wa thalathatu nisa'in. See, Ahada ashara and Ithna ashara. Both the parts agree with the ma'dud. Example: Ahada ashara taliban, Ihda asharata talibatan. Ithna ashara taliban, Ithnata asharata talibatan. D. From Salasata ashara ila to Tisata ashara. The second part agrees with the ma'dud. The first part does not. Example: Salasata ashara taliban, Salasa asharata talibatan. E. From Ishruna till Tis'una. From Ishruna up to Tis'una and Miyatun and Alfun. From 20 to 90 and 100 and 1000. These numbers do not change for gender. Example: Khamsuna Musliman, Khamsuna Muslimatan. Miyatu Talibin 100 students or Miyatu Talibatin 100 female students. F. Miyatani and Alfani. Miyatani 200, Alfani 2000s. When the ma'dud is mentioned, the noon is omitted. Example: Miyata Riyalin, the noon is dropped here. Alfa Dolarin, the noon is dropped. Number 2. So these are the rules for number 1, governing numbers. Here, number 2, the rules regarding the ma'dud. A. The ma'dud of 3 to 10 is genitive plural. Example: Salasatu Kutubin. B. The ma'dud of 11 to 99 is accusative singular. Example: Ahada Ashara Kaukaban. Ahada Ashara Kaukaban. Next, number C. The ma'dud of 100 and 1000 is genitive singular. Example: Alfu Riyal, 1000 Riyal. So this is our rules for the ma'dud. Please also see here, the alif in Miyatun is not pronounced. It is also written without this alif. It can be written Miyatun like this as well. Okay. So Miyatun can be written as Miyatun as well, and of course this alif is not pronounced. Okay. First we have seen the rules regarding the numbers adad, and point 2 we have seen now the rules regarding ma'dud, the counted. Now point 3, what is the i'rab, declensions. I mean, what is marfu, when it will be marfu form, and its mansub form, and its majrur form. The i'rab of the numbers. A. Wahidun Ithnani. These are used as adjectives. Example: Indi Riyalun Wahidun. Indi Riyalani Ithnani. and it's a marfu form, and it's, see your mansub form here. Uridu riyalan wahidan. I want 1 riyal. Uridu riyalaini ithnaini. I want 2 riyals. So it's your mansub, and it's majrur from hadal kalamu bi riyalin wahidin. This pen cost is 1 riyal. Hadal kalamu bi riyalaini ithnaini. This pen, its cost is 2 riyals. So you have seen here the first Arab of the Wahidun and Islam. B, from Salasatun up to Asharatun. These are regularly declined. Okay. Indi Khamsatu Riyalatin, Uridu Khamsatu Riyalatin, Hadal Kalamu bi Khamsatu Riyalatin. So the Marfu, Mansub, Majrur, we can see here the declensions. And D, C is not written. I mean, it is written as D. Typo error. Ahada Ashara to Tisata Ashara. These numbers are mabni, indeclinable. They remain unchanged except the words isna and isnata. So out from 11 to 19, they are mabni except 12, isna and isnata. See here. In the Khamsata Ashara Riyal, everything you can see here in the Khamsata Ashara Riyal, it is marfu form, but still it carries fataha because it is mabni that we have learned earlier. Uridu Khamsata Ashara Riyalan, I want 15 riyals. Again, it still Khamsata Ashara, and of course it is Mafulun Bihi here, so it carries Fataha. And now 3. Hadal Kalamu B Khamsata Ashara Riyalan. Again, B has come, Habjar has come. Next one should be in Ism Majrur, but still it carries Fatah because they are Mabni. All the numbers from 11 to 19 they are Mabni except the number 12. Only the words Isna and Isnata in Isna Ashara and Isnata Asharata are declined. They are Morab. Morab is declined. Like the dual. The words Ashara and Asharata remain unchanged. Watch this carefully. In the Isna Ashara Riyalan, in the Isnata Asharata Rupiyatan. It's Marfu form. Now I want to say Uridu. I want 12 riyals. Where Uridu Itnai Ashara Riyalan, only this Itnai. Isnaini, right? Isnaini, the noon is stopped usually in dual form. Again, what happens here? Isnai, the noon is stopped. I mean, the noon is stopped as well as this alif has been changed to ya. Indicating this is a dual form. Uridu Isnatai Ashrata Rubiyatan. I want 12 rupees. 12 riyals, 12 rupees. And the next see for the example for Majrurun, Halal Kalamu bi Isnai Ashara Riyalan. See, Abdul Sahib has given a note. The words Ashara and Ashara remain unchanged. The partல பாத்தீங்கன்னா இஸ்னா அஷரால வெறும் இந்த இஸ்னா தான் மாறும் தவிர அஷரா ஒன்றும் மாறாது. இஸ்னை அஷரா தான் பி வந்தனால இங்க எதுவும் சேஞ்சஸ் கிடையாது. ஒன்லி வித் பார்ட் 1 that is isna and isnata that will get changed. So hadal kalamu bi isnai ashara riyalan. This pen is about 12 riyals. And hadal kalamu bi isnatai asharata. See, asharata remains as asharata. There is no change takes place here. So Rupiyatan, this pen of 12 rupees. Okay, so this is C and this is next one is D. The uqud from number 20 Shruna to Shruna 90. The uqud are declined like the sound masculine plural. They are declinable. I mean, they are declinable mu'arab. And indeclinable means mabuni. For example, in the case sittuna riyalan, we have 60 riyals. Uridu sittina riyalan. I want 60 riyals. Sittuna becomes sittina. It is like sound masculine plural. Hadal kitab bi sittina riyalan. This book is the cost. Its cost is about 60 riyals. So B has come, so sittina. So this in this part, ukul, they will be declined as like sound masculine plural. Jam armada salim. See, Miyatun and Alfu. Miyatun Alfu and we learned in book 1, book 2, first lesson. Miyatun Alfu. So it's not new to us. It's already done. Miyatun Alfu, these are declined regularly. This is also more means declining. Mabina indeclinable. So Miyatun Alfu is more. They are declined regularly. Example, Murattabuhu Alfu Dawlarin. His salary is $1,000. So Murattabu Alfu Dawlarin. இப்பயும் முதாஃபிலையில வரும். நம்பர் 100, நம்பர் 1000, number 100 as well as 1000, they will be coming as mudaf-ilayhi, and madud will be in singular majroor, not plural. Yeah. Akhadtu $1,000 minhu. See, akhadtu, I took alf maf'ul bihi wa huwa mudaf, $1 mudaf ilayhi, minhu from him. I took $1,000 from him. Alf. Declining, right? It's more. Ishtaraytuhu bi alfi riyalin. I purchased it for 1,000 riyals. Again, B has come, so alfi is majroor wa huwa mudaf, $1 mudaf. So this is the same case for 100 as well. You can say murattabuhu $100, akhadtu $100 minhu, ishtaraytuhu bi $100. So instead of 1,000, you can mention here $100. The rule is similar to alf. And see, F is very important here. Miyatani alfani. Actually, miyatani and alfani. When noon is dropped, because when it becomes mudaf, the noon will be dropped. See here. These are dual. Miyata and alpha, these are dual, and they are declined as such. Example, Ujratuhu alfa riyalin. His wages are 2,000 riyals. So where you can see, it's actually alfani riyalin, but when it becomes mudaf, noon is usually dropped. நம்ம படிக்கல, இனிமேல் தான் படிக்க போறோம் இன்ஷாஅல்லாஹ். Ma yuridu alfay riyalin. This is actually alfayni, because yuridu is a verb which requires maf'ul bihi, so this is alfayni. Why noon is dropped? Because it is mudaf. When it comes as mudaf, noon is usually dropped. For dual form க்கு இதான் ஃபார்முலா. உதாரணமா நீங்க பாபானி அசையாத்தி சொல்ல போறீங்க அப்படின்னா 2 doors of the car. இப்போ என்ன ஆகும்னா பாபா அசையாத்தி நூன் வந்து டிராப் ஆயிடும். அப்போ டுவெல்க்கு வந்து பொறுத்த வரைக்கும் நூன் வந்து முதாஃபா சேரும் போது that noon will be dropped. Ma yuridu alfayni actually. And alfani becomes alfayni. When it becomes mudaf, noon is dropped, then riyalin, alfay riyalin. He does not want 2,000 riyals. Ya'malu bi alfay riyalin. He works for 2,000 riyals. Where ya'malu is the fail, fa'il mustatir. We have here alfay. It's alfayni. The alfayni means 2,000. You say 2,000 riyals and it becomes mudaf. So noon is dropped. Riyalin mudaf. He works for 2,000 riyals. And G, it's very important point here. This is something we have not seen so far. Salas mi'atin up to tis'umi'atin. See how it is written. அப்படியே சலாஸோட மியாவும் சேர்த்து எழுதிடணும். ரைட், பாருங்க. இதெல்லாம் வருது இதுல படத்துல. நம்பர் பொறுத்த வரைக்கும் கொஞ்சம் டஃப் தான் அரபிக்ல பொறுத்த வரைக்கும். ஃபாஸ்டா நம்மளுக்கு வந்து ரொம்ப நீட்டா சொல்லி கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. ஃபர்ஸ்ட் புக்ல வெறும் 1 to 10. அதாவது மாதுல் வந்து மேஸ்குலினாவும் மாதுல் ஃபெமினின் வந்தா இப்படி இருக்கும். புக் 2ல 11 to 20, 11 to 19 மேஸ்குலின், 11 to 20 ஃபெமினின், ஒரு 21 to 30. அதுக்கப்புறம் அதோடைய இப்படி சொல்லி கொடுத்துருக்கனால அல்ஹம்துலில்லாஹ் இந்த லெவலுக்கு இப்போ நம்மளால பாடம் படிக்க முடியாது. இல்லாட்டி ரொம்ப கஷ்டமா, we will feel very tough with respect to the numbers. But alhamdulillah, now we are okay. The position level okay காரணம் Dr. Fasa Bodia and supplement. He supplemented whenever we needed. So G ثلاث مئة up to 900 from 300 to 900. In these numbers, the word مئة is majroor because it is mudaf ilayhi. Because that is who mudaf مئة mudaf. In these numbers, the mudaf is joined to the mudaf ilayhi in writing. You can see here. Usually, how do we write? Tissus separately and made in separately. But this guy, it is allowed to write Tissu made in mudaf mudaf ilayhi as joined. The mudaf takes the case required in the sentence. So is the mudaf tispu now according to the sentence tispu is marfu, is mansub, is majrur according to the sentence. அது நீங்க எடுத்துக்கலாம் ஆகும். அதனால நீங்க என்ன நினைச்ச கூடாது, சிங்கிள் வேர்ட் இல்லை, it has two words. In the salas miyati riyalin, I have 300 riyals. Where you can see salas, these were mubtada muakhar, wa mudaf miyati mudaf ilayhi, wa huwa mudaf riyalin mudaf ilayhi. The point, you see the point here. Salasu is joined to the mudaf ilayhi. This salasu miyatin, why it has taken now one kasra instead of double kasra? Again, it becomes mudaf riyalin mudaf ilayhi. இந்த இடத்துல பாத்தீங்கன்னா உங்களுக்கு அந்த ரூல் அப்ளை ஆகுது. என்ன ரூல் அப்ளை ஆகுது? 100 ரியால் அப்ளை ஆகுது. 100 ரியால் வந்து மியத்து ரியால் இல்லையா? மியா 100 வந்தாவோ இல்ல 1000 வந்தாவோ உங்களுக்கு என்ன வரும்? மாதுல சிங்குலர் மஜ்ரூர்ல இருக்கு. இப்போ அது கரெக்டா இருக்கு. இந்த சிங்குலர் மஜ்ரூர்ல இருக்கு. இங்க மியத்தி வர காரணம் because salasa is mudaf, miyati mudaf ilayhi, wa huwa mudaf, and it becomes mudaf for this riyal. So it takes one kasra. Please make a note of this. Uridu salasa miyati riyal. You can see here salasu becomes here salasa because it is maf'ul bihi here. I want 300 riyals. Ishtaraytuhu, I purchased it. Bi salasi, bi has come. So salasi is mujrur. Wa huwa mudaf, miyati mudaf ilayhi, wa huwa mudaf riyal mudaf ilayhi. I purchased this for 300 riyals. Note that samani miyatin is originally samani miyatin. The ya has been omitted. So the noon along with the kasra in this verse remains unchanged. நீங்க என்ன நினைச்சுக்கூடாது, சமானி should not think that it is majrur because of b முன்னாடி இருக்கனால b வந்திருக்கும் அதனால சமானி கஸ்ரா, அப்படி கிடையாது. It is originally samani miyatin. The ya has been omitted. The ya வந்து mahzuf ஆயிடுச்சு. So the noon has a kasra. So it is marfu form, not in the majrur form. Clear? Words remains unchanged. So very small details are given here that should be noted.